You've probably heard of warm milk before bed. Well, here's a different kind of bedtime drink made in 5 minutes and delicious to drink that can actually help your body perform better in the bedroom. A drink that can boost your testosterone, improve your erections, speed up recovery, and even help you sleep deeper. No, it's not some magical powder from the faraway mystical realm. It's something you can make tonight with just 2 simple ingredients: Tart cherries and almond milk. Now, let's talk about the bedtime drink that boosts testosterone and erections naturally. Here's what's really going on inside your body when you mix tart cherry juice with almond milk before bed, and why it's becoming a quiet secret among athletes and men who want to keep their performance at its peak. Let's start with why tart cherries are so special. Tart cherries, not the sweet ones you throw on desserts, are natural powerhouses. They contain anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect the lining of your blood vessels. And you know what that means? Better circulation equals better erections. But it goes deeper than that. Tart cherries also increase melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. And here's where it gets interesting. Better sleep leads to higher testosterone. Most of a man's testosterone is produced during deep sleep. So when you sleep badly, you're not just tired, you're literally cutting off your testosterone at the source. Tart cherries help restore that nighttime balance, helping your body enter deeper sleep cycles where testosterone surges. It's like hitting the reset button on your manhood every night. But wait, where does the almond milk come in? Let's look at why almond milk makes it even better. Almond milk is low in calories, high in magnesium, and naturally rich in zinc, a key mineral for testosterone production. Zinc deficiency is one of the fastest ways for your testosterone levels to tank. And here's a fun fact. Men lose zinc when they ejaculate. So unless you're constantly topping up through diet, your body's supply can get low fast. Now combine zinc from almond milk with the anti-inflammatory and melatonin boost from tart cherries, and you've got a drink that checks nearly every box for male sexual health. It improves blood flow, boosts testosterone, enhances recovery, deepens sleep, and it tastes really good, like a creamy cherry dessert that happens to make your erections stronger. Not bad for a bedtime snack. Now, what does this drink actually do to your erections? Tart cherries increase nitric oxide levels, the same molecule your body uses to make an erection possible. Nitric oxide relaxes the smooth muscles of your blood vessels, allowing them to expand, so more blood can flow into the penis. That's exactly how drugs like Viagra work, except this is nature's version. But cherries also reduce oxidative stress, which means they protect the very cells that produce nitric oxide in the first place. That's important, because one major reason erections weaken with age is that nitric oxide production drops. Tart cherries help reverse that decline naturally. And when you add the magnesium from almond milk, which also relaxes blood vessels and nerves, you've got the perfect 1-2 combo for stronger, more reliable erections. So yes, this isn't just cherry on top health advice, this is cherry on top of your bedside table advice. Now let's get into the testosterone connection. Tart cherries reduce cortisol. That's your stress hormone. And when cortisol goes down, testosterone goes up. High stress literally steals the raw materials your body needs to make testosterone. Plus, sleep plays a massive role. Studies show men who sleep less than 5 hours a night have 30% less testosterone than men who sleep 7 to 8 hours. So this bedtime drink doesn't just help you fall asleep. It helps your body recover its masculinity overnight. That means higher libido, more morning wood, faster recovery after workouts, and more stable mood and energy during the day. Now, if you really want to take your nitric oxide and testosterone levels to the next level, here's something worth knowing. If you've been feeling frustrated or even embarrassed about changes in bedroom performance, sensitivity, stamina, or desire, you're not alone. And it's not your fault. There's a 100% natural solution that's already helped thousands of men feel confident and energized again. No pills, no injections, no procedures, no surgery, no risky shortcuts. Just a simple, easy home remedy you can make at home, designed to support what researchers are now calling the manhood molecule, a key factor for arousal, blood flow, and lasting power. Find out more. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment, or scan the QR code now on your screen, all proven to support blood flow, stamina, and hormone balance. So, have your tart cherry and almond milk before bed, and take the booster in the morning to keep your blood vessels primed all day long. It's a natural, science-backed combo that covers you 24 hours a day. Now let's go over how to make it. You'll need 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a cup of tart cherry juice, or about 10 to 12 frozen tart cherries blended. You can use either tart cherry carton juice available in any supermarket, or fresh or frozen tart cherries blended first. Some men like to add half a teaspoon of raw honey or a pinch of cinnamon for taste, but that is up to you. Warm the almond milk gently, don't boil it. Add the tart cherry juice and stir. If you're using frozen cherries, blend them with the warm almond milk until smooth. Drink it about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. That's when your body starts winding down, and those compounds begin their magic, relaxing blood vessels, lowering stress, boosting melatonin, and setting the stage for both better sleep and better sex. Of course, there are a few things to be aware of. Tart cherry juice contains natural sugars, so if you're diabetic or watching your sugar intake, go easy or use a low-sugar brand. And if you have a nut allergy, obviously skip almond milk. Oat or coconut milk are fine substitutes. But overall, this is one of the safest and most effective natural bedtime drinks for men. Add this to your bedtime drink and watch your stamina and erections transform overnight. Stronger, harder, and longer-lasting erections aren't just a bonus. They're guaranteed to leave your partner breathless and begging for more. This isn't hype. Science shows the right combination of tart cherries and almond milk boosts blood flow, nitric oxide, and testosterone while you sleep, meaning you'll wake up charged, fully recovered, and ready to perform like a man in his prime. Your partner won't just notice. They'll feel it, and you'll both thank yourself for it. Add this to your bedtime drink and never settle for weak erections again. Harder, longer-lasting performance, unstoppable stamina, and a partner who won't be able to keep their hands off you. Now for the important part, a quick medical disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always check with a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet, supplements, or lifestyle, especially if you're on medication or have a health condition. All right, let's wrap this up with a quick recap. Tart cherries boost nitric oxide, lower inflammation, and help you sleep deeper. Almond milk adds magnesium and zinc, supporting testosterone and recovery. Together, they create a nighttime ritual that boosts blood flow, improves erections, helps your body recover, and supports long-term male performance. And the best part? It's delicious, affordable, and takes less than 2 minutes to make. So tonight, skip the glass of wine and try the tart cherry and almond milk combo instead. You might just wake up feeling stronger, more rested, and a little more ready for action. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who could use a natural performance upgrade. And check the link below for my recommended nitric oxide and testosterone booster, the perfect partner to this nightly drink that men all over the world are using to boost bedroom prowess and stamina. The link is also in the pinned comment, or scan the QR code now on your screen to learn more. Now watch these videos to further recharge your manhood, and I'll see you in the next one.